So what I have today is an SSD pulled from a laptop that had something super sticky and super sugary spilt all over it. Ooh, look at those contacts. What we're going to do today is we're going to scrub it down with some isopropyl alcohol and hope that once it dries, there has been no permanent damage to the SSD, because there is data on here that we need to get off. Oh, there's a sticky bit right there. Look at that. Gummy, 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 gummy. Ugh, look at that. Okay. And okay. Ooh, there's another sticky bit right here. Mm-mm-mm. It's amazing how quickly that sugar just cures to the board. Okay. So I think we got all the garbage off the back. Look at that Q-tip. Oof. Okay. We'll flip it over to the front. I'm just going to use the clean side. I don't want to take what already came off the back and put it back onto the front. Okay, so this side has all the components on it, so I'm going to be a little gentler. Ugh. I just want to get it in there. The good thing is it's not that grody where all the surface mount stuff is. Let's go down to the other end and clean around the actual NAND chip. Just in case there are test points on the board, you want to clear off those test points, right? Because if they're a test point and it has a short on it, then it's probably going to still be shorted. And it smells very, very sugary. Even though it smells mostly like alcohol, it still smells very sugary. Okay. So I think we're good here. Next step is to just let it dry. Let it dry a fair little bit, just in case there's anything happening there. And then I'm going to put it under a microscope and try and recover the data if I can't find any more little gooey bits. That's a technical term. Gooey bits. And go back to the back. The front side looks pretty clean. Like this cotton swab is not too bad. We'll just give the back another wipe down. The clean side. I don't know if that's goo. Just the silk screen process. No, that was goo. Okay, look at that. See, it's still coming off. Okay. We will see how the process goes. Perfect. Hey, thanks for watching. Comment. like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And if there's anything I did wrong, please let me know. That way I don't do it again next time. Thanks, everybody.